Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, I want to show you how you can animate 3D objects. These are new animation features that have just come out. So let's have a quick insert of a 3D object. So Insert tab, 3D models, stock 3D models. This opens up all the 3D model types you can have. I'm going to go for this one. Then you've got all these nice little bits of the body. I'll go for the intestines and stomach. Insert that one. So that drops it in there. Now with the 3D models you can do all this yourself, but animating it, so what I want to do is animate it. Now on the animations pane you've got these cube animations, which is green entrance, emphasis, and then leave, red. You've also got them through add animation, which is what I would suggest you use, because then you can layer the animations, i.e. have an arrive, get it to do something and then get it to leave. If you use these ones, they just replace each other. If you pick on a different one, it just replaces the previous one. So on this one I'm going to use add animation and I'll get it to arrive. So it'll arrive like so, and you can see in the animation pane, which I've also got on, you can see it sitting there. So if I go back to add animation, I've got these options now, so I can swing or jump and turn. Jump and turn, I'll go on to that one. So that's what's going to happen now. And if I go to the top, play from the first thing, so there it appears, then it's going to jump and turn. And then if I add another animation to get it to leave, then it's going to leave. So go from the top again, play, comes in, does its little jump and twist, and then fades out. Now in each of these, if I click on the yellow one and then into options, effect options, you've got different options on this. Look, moderate, strong, and then you've got the rotation axes from the center or view center, whatever you want to set this to. Directions right. I'll go clock. I'll go up. I'll go down. And then you've got a timing where you can do on click, or you can do after a couple of seconds. So I'll just get this to go after previous, and then a delay of say 2 seconds, like so. Click OK to that, and then just go to the top, play from the start, and it should get you doing the business. So there's a 2-second delay, then it did its jump and then it faded out. And if you want it to it's on click on fade out, again you can go after previous and put a delay on that from up here as well. You don't have to go into the actual effect options, which I tend to do. You've also got effect options here where you can select directions and things like that. Those are the same sort of things. Strong for this, like so. And then if I click on, if I just stop this, if I click on the first one and play from the top, in it comes, delay, then it does its bouncing bit, delay, then it fades out. So that's basically all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can animate with these cube animation shapes the 3D models that you get in Microsoft PowerPoint. So hopefully that little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.